Hello! So in the previous video we talked about how to use gift cards to increase your profitability, and then also talked a little bit about how to acquire them. Now I'm going to talk to you guys about how to maintain a gift card database, because it's important that you keep track of all of the gift cards that you've ever purchased for a couple different reasons. The main reason here is when you get refunded or a canceled order. Because if you think about it, when you use a credit card to place an order, it's very simple because all that they do is they just refund the credit card and the money just goes back into your account. But when you use a gift card, they don't have access to that information. So there's two different ways that they typically handle it, depending on the supplier. A place like Home Depot will give you a new gift card for the amount of your refund. And this is ideal because you can just go ahead and use it on your existing orders. But most places don't do that. What most places do is they refund the original gift card. And this means that you need to keep track of all of your gift cards in a database, so that you can go find the information from the gift card that was refunded and then use it on your orders. Okay, so let's talk about a little bit how to do that. We're going to make two screens now, and we're going to use Google Sheets. You can do this in Excel. Just keep in mind that Excel costs money and Google Sheets is free. So I try and use Google Sheets whenever possible, although I do use Excel for bigger files. And so what we're going to do is start off as if we've just made our first purchase of gift cards. The supplier that you use is going to determine the format of the gift card you receive, but it's going to look something like this. You're going to have a list of gift cards. I bought $1,000 worth of them, right? And then if we scroll to the bottom, we can find here the actual printouts of the gift cards. And this is what we need, because now we're going to copy all of the gift cards from this file and put them into a Google Sheets file. So then whenever I want to use gift cards, I can just look at my gift card database. I don't have to go rifling through my email. So to start off, we're going to make a column over here that is going to be all of our gift cards. In this case, we only have 6, so it's going to be pretty small. And before we move forward, you want to change the format from automatic to this right here. Because you're going to find that when you paste gift card numbers, there are 16 digits. So if you have your spreadsheet formatted wrong, it's going to put decimal points or put it in scientific notation, and that's going to mess everything up. So we want to make sure that that doesn't happen. So at this point, all we do is copy and paste. Look at that. We have our gift card number and then our PIN. Remember that each gift card, for Walmart at least, has 14 digits, and then there's a 4-digit PIN. So there's 20 digits of information total. All right? Now we're going to scroll down and go to the next gift card. It's really important that you don't do any of this completely by hand. You don't want to be typing these numbers out because you're going to eventually make a mistake. And if you get one of these digits wrong, that means you'll have to track it back to this original email in order to figure out why it's not working when you try and use it. Okay? So always copy and paste. It's just better that way. I used to print my gift cards out and then make a physical database, but then I realized I was like, oh, I could just do it in Google Sheets, and then I wouldn't have to print anything. I wouldn't have to pay for ink, and it'd all be free. So this is what I do now. And this is a very simple database. Obviously, you can do things to make it better. All right, so we've just extracted our 6 gift cards from the email from cardcash.com. All right, so now I'm going to change the format real quick because it's bothering me that they're all on different sides. We're going to go over here and right align. All right, now it all looks the same. And we're going to change this to gift card database. This list is going to be every single gift card that we ever used, and then the associated PIN number is going to be right next to it. So now, obviously, as we go through, imagine that we're going to Walmart, right? We're going to go walmart.com, and we're going to go make a purchase. I'm not actually going to make the purchase, but imagine that we are. Then, all right, we get to the part where we need to pay. We go to our gift card database and we copy this and add it into walmart.com. You're going to find that you can save 5 gift cards on your Walmart account at a time. As soon as I save the gift card, I count it as used. So what I do is I just change the color of the cell. So now I know that because this gift card is highlighted in orange, that means that it's already been used. Okay? However, that being said, you do not want to keep gift cards in your Walmart account. You want to use them as quickly as possible. Because if anybody accesses your Walmart account and you have $500 of gift cards available, there is nothing stopping them from buying $500 worth of stuff and shipping it to any address they want. Unlike a credit card, where you have to enter the security PIN, a gift card can just be used. You don't need any kind of billing address or anything else. And once you've added the gift card into your Walmart account, you don't even need the PIN anymore to use it. So make sure that you only add them into your account as you need them. There are people who hack Walmart accounts and look specifically for people who have gift cards that have been added into the account but not used, and then they make purchases, and unless you catch the purchase before it ships out, you just lost $100, $200, $300. You have the potential to lose whatever money you leave in your Walmart account, so be careful. That being said, let's move forward. So now we've used this gift card, right? And then we make some more purchases, and then we use these gift cards. All right? And then we use these gift cards up. So at this point, we've used all of our gift cards. Hooray! And you know that if it's shaded, that means that you've already added it to your Walmart account. If it hasn't been shaded yet, that means that you've bought it, but you haven't added it to your account. But now, how do we deal with refunds? Because that's the ultimate purpose of this database. We need to figure out, how do we identify what account got refunded? So the way to do this is, first we need to start off with the notification from Walmart saying, hey, we've given you a refund, because that's where it all starts. So let's look at that email on the right-hand side here. I'm going to make this bigger so that you guys can see it. This is what the emails from Walmart look like. Again, depending on your source and supplier, this is going to be different, okay? But it's going to follow the same gist. We have an order number, and we're told, okay, we've given you a refund for $43.30. However, it doesn't show how or where that refund went. So we have to look at the order through Walmart.com. And some people go into their Walmart account, they click in all orders, and then they go find it. That takes forever. I can't do that. So a really easy thing to do is you go walmart.com/account/order/the order number in the email, and then you click enter. And then look at that. We just went straight away to the specific order. And from here we can see which gift card was refunded and how much they refunded. So at this point, I'm going to bring this back over here and show you what I would normally do. So typically, as soon as I get the notification from Walmart, I add the reference here. And what I do is, first, I copy the amount that should have been added to the gift card. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to put it right here. Nope. Oh, yeah, we changed the format. Don't worry about that. So $43. All right, and we're going to name this refunded amounts. And then last four. Because if you look here, they say that the gift card ending in 2732 was refunded $43. We don't know what the rest of this gift card's information is. We don't know what the PIN is. So we have to use this information in order to find the rest of the information so that we can use the card again, right? So imagine this one says 2732. So normally I would copy that and paste it right here, just like that. But since we're using a mock database, I have to change this number to illustrate the concept. So I'm going to use 8140. We're going to imagine that $43 was added to gift card 8140. At this point, we've done everything we need to with our emails, and we can close that out. And at this point, I would usually just stop and move along with my day because I've added the reference to the refunded gift card to the database. So now I have some gift cards that I could use without buying any more because they've been refunded. So as I go in to place my orders, I can look here and see, hey, I have this $43 amount on the card ending in 8140. This is going to be really simple. All we do is copy 8140 with Control C, and then we click Control F, and from this point we paste. And now Google Sheets is going to look through the whole document to find any occurrences of 8140. So you can see here, it's highlighted, obviously, the cell we just searched for. But if we click enter one more time, oh look, this is the gift card that ends in 8140. And the PIN is right next to it. And we know that $43 was added to this gift card. So now we can just enter this information back into Walmart.com. And once we've used it, we just highlight this. And now we've used it. So as you can see, as you get refunds, it would look something like this, right? You're going to have an amount, and then you're going to have some digits. So the way that I use these databases is that anytime something isn't filled with color, that means that it is available to be used. Once it is filled with color, then it's no longer available. And so the only thing we need to talk about now is what to do when you load a gift card into Walmart and it's empty. Because this is a part of buying gift cards. You're going to come across duds at times. Don't freak out. Don't worry. It's very easy to handle. You're going to get your money back. All you have to do is copy the gift card name, the digits of the gift card and the PIN. And what I usually do, let's imagine that we went to load this last gift card, but it was a dud. I'll flag it with red. And then all you need to do is send an email to the person that you bought the gift card from. You're going to give them the gift card name or the gift card number and the PIN, and tell them the order number that you purchased the order on. All right? And usually they'll refund you within a couple days because it's very easy to check. You can check this on Walmart.com and see, hey, this guy bought the gift card on the 3rd, but all of its value was used up on the 1st. There's no way he used it before he bought it. So then they'll just issue you a refund and you can move on. Expect this to happen at some point. You will have to deal with a dud gift card, but it's worth saving the money on the other orders. Think about it, guys. You could be saving 2 to 4% of all of your costs. If you're paying $10,000, 2% of that is $200 in your pocket that you didn't have. And what if you're paying $100,000 a month? Think about that. All these percentages really add up. And using gift cards, cashback, and sales tax exemption, you can really maximize your profitability and get the most out of your dropshipping business. So I appreciate you guys paying attention to this video. Now you understand how to purchase gift cards, where to find them, and then also how to maintain a database of gift cards and what to do when you encounter a gift card that has no value. All right, I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.